It was Mega Drop Shop time, so I had to. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Everybody's in a different room doing different things. And it's just me, but I've got my Ipsy Mega Drop Shop, so let's check this out. Now, I will look on my phone. I believe I screenshotted everything that I got so I could tell you guys the price, because there were some really good 2-for deals. And I do have a pretty big subscriber give back going on, so some of the things that I ordered in the 2-for deals, one is for that give back and the other is for me because, well, it's Glow Recipe. Dexter just made his way in here to find some boxes to go hang out in. I am updating the video because I hadn't actually edited it yet. I was waiting to see what they were going to do for me, but in my Ipsy Ultimate, Ipsy Ultimate, I think it is now, box, I had been missing some products. Both of the products that were supposed to be in the actual curation that I had chosen, they were able to replace, so I was very happy with that. One of the other products that I had purchased, they were able to replace, but I think there was another 1 or 2 that I had purchased as add-ons that I guess they're going to give me credit my account. Okay, but a few times a year, Ipsy does have their Mega Drop Shop, and so I took advantage of it this year. And I mean, I usually take advantage of it, but usually not so much. But with the 2-for-1s, I just couldn't not do that, knowing that I had this big give back I wanted to do. So the first item, you're going to see one of these in the give back if you are the subscriber that gets chosen. And that is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment Radiance C Smoothing Drops. And this is, it says it's a mini. All right, there we go. But still a nice size. This is still 25 milliliters, I believe it says on here. And then the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum. Again, another mini, but not a sample size. This is 15 milliliters or half of a fluid ounce. And then the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. This is 40 milliliters, so another mini. Again, still a respectable size. Great way to give this brand a try if you haven't. Their items smell so fresh. So that's some of their watermelon line. And then last is a full size of the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. And this was 15 milliliters, but again, that is a full size for the eye cream. All right, another 2-for-1, so you will see one of these in that subscriber give back, is the Rhodial Pink Diamond Lifting Oil. This is their Lift and Illuminate Oil, 30 milliliters, full size. Okay. And then some other things I got, which may or may not be in there, I'm not really sure yet, but the e.l.f. Bronzing Drops in Copper Gold. So these are kind of similar to those Drunk Elephant ones. Oh, I have 2 of them, so it'll definitely be in there. So like I said, all these 2-for-1, right? Next by Dibs, which is a brand I am really loving. I got their Go-To Glossy Balm in the Rock Candy Effortlessly Pink and Nims. Now, I might have one of these colors, and if I do, that's definitely going to go in the giveaway, one of them, if I already have one of these colors. I just love this brand, and I love their glosses. I got one in Allure, and loved it. So when I saw these for $11, I said, oh, let me try whatever colors they have. So the first one was the Rock Candy. This is the Effortlessly Pink. And these are really more of a sheer gloss with just a tint of color. And then the Nims. And I know this looks like it's brown, but on it just really gives a nice glow of color to your lips. All right, next by Glowiest, I have their Dream Glow Collagen B2 Eye Cream. This is 20 grams. It's a full size. You will find this in that give back. Okay, so there is how that looks. By Buxom, I have the Full On Plumping Lip Glow Balm. In the shade Dolly Delight. Now this is a mini. Oh no, it's not. This is a full size. I thought this was their gloss, but it's actually, it's such a pretty color, their Dolly color. By Bare Minerals, I have their Complexion Rescue Highlighting Blush. This is in the shade Pink Glow. So you can kind of see it there at the bottom. And then I have the Ashanta Sharif Beauty Unicorn 2 Glitter and Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And I hadn't heard of this brand, but I saw it in their shop and I said, let's give a new brand a try. All right, so then by Blink, I have their Tubing Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in a brown. So I love a brown, and I love this because this is one of those little wands which are so easy to use. All right, and then I don't know what this is. I don't know if it was a free mystery gift or something, because I don't recall ordering this, but it's this kind of fuchsia pink bag. All right, and the zipper pull is it's like a little disco ball. And then there is an Ipsy compact mirror. So I can't imagine a situation in which I would have been like, yeah, that's definitely what I need. But I think it was like a nice little free add-on, maybe like a extra for placing an order. Sometimes they do that. All right, so there is the mirror. It's just a mirror. You can plug it in. It's got a little button. There's a charger. You're just gonna, you know, oh, it's already charged. It almost has like a little bit of a ring light, so you can kind of get a good view. Oh, how am I looking today, right? And you know, even if you're not a makeup person, it is good to have a little something like this, whether it's lighted or not, just so that, you know, if you get something in your eye and you want to like see, you know, what's going on there, like what's in my eye or whatever, or even if you just like wear mascara and you just want to like make sure you haven't rubbed it, which I'm often doing. Just a nice little thing to kind of have in your bag. All right, so I will likely put as many of the products as I can in here. Let's see. Okay, yes, so there is room for a few more products, so I will definitely put a few more products in here, and this will be that subscriber give back for that 1.5K subscriber give back that I'm having. And so I think I've like mentioned it in a couple of videos, but this is the official video where I'm going to give you all the rules, tell you what you need to do. The rules will also be listed down below. But basically I have a playlist, and it is my 1.5K playlist. And so from there, I'm going to randomly select videos. So I'm like a wheel of names, non-collab videos that like no videos that already have another giveaway in them. I will put like Ipsy Glam Bag, like, you know, the names of the different bags. There's like 3 different snack boxes in there, I think. So I'll just put like Snacks Turkey, Snacks, you know, whichever. I think there's a Scotland one. But anyway, I will randomly select some videos. From those videos, I'll randomly select runner-ups. All those runner-ups will go on a wheel of names, and then From that wheel of names, there will be one grand prize winner who will win this bag with a few extra goodies in there. And mostly skincare, because I know most of you ladies like skincare. That's your preference. So I've got primarily all skincare in here. Yeah. So all the rules will be down below. You do have to be publicly subscribed. You do have to like and comment on these videos. You never know which one is going to get selected. I don't even know. I don't have an idea in my mind because I'm going to put them on a wheel and randomly select them. You just know that it won't be one of the collab videos, but those have their own little gems in there too. So you must have a US mailing address so that I can get it to you safely and securely. I don't have to worry about what can and can't go into other countries or the exorbitant cost of shipping, things like that. You have to be 18 or over. Once I mail it out, I can't control it. I'll give you the tracking number. I'm not great at getting things out in the mail. It may take a little while because I'm often working my full-time job, my part-time job, picking up my daughter. So there were some days where from 7 o'clock in the morning until 6:30 at night, I have no ability to even get to the post office. So I do apologize if it takes you a little bit longer, but once I send you that tracking information, you'll know it's on its way to you. This is nothing to do with Ipsy or YouTube or Glow Recipe or any of the brands described in here. This is simply a give back from me to my subscribers for, you know, spending a little of your time with us. Okay, again, all those rules will be down below. I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions. If you think you might have one, please test any of these products first. If they're not for you, just pass them on. I love the Glow Recipe items. I will tell you that. I've had nothing but good experiences. I've had nothing but good experiences with the Rhode Isle and with e.l.f. as well. So hopefully you'll have the same experiences. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.